At any point through the design, we're able to export the Civil 3D profiles and profile views of our Corridor Easy strings. To do this, we can head down to the Export to Civil 3D Profiles button, and then we're prompted with a form. Now what we're going to do for ease is just to ensure that only the Sydney Court profile view is created, so we're going to just simply toggle off the controls for the remaining strings. The default styles come from the Civil 3D styles that we chose at the very start of this little series, so you can go in and override what styles are used for what particular string. You can then choose the insertion point. Now if we go and choose the insertion point from the screen and simply go and left click, we're then able to control where these profiles will then be positioned. If we click on Create Update Profile Views, our profile view for Sydney Court is now created. Now the great thing is we can either go in and make changes to the profile in this particular view here and have it synced back to Corridor Easy, or we can have Corridor Easy be updated or updating the profile view. So if we go through and make some changes to Sydney Court here by right clicking on Sydney Court in the road strings area, vertical grading editor, and what we'll do is we'll make a fairly significant change to this IP here by moving it up and then closing that form down once that's happened. And then all we need to do is to come down to the button here, click on Export to Profiles. In fact, you can see it's already happened. So that's now happened, and meaning that that update has changed. Now you can actually do the reverse, so you can actually change your profile in the profile view and have that sent back to Corridor Easy. So let's go and make that change now. What we might do is go and adjust this PVI just here, make that change, and then we'll go and click on the Update from Civil 3D Profiles button just found in the bottom of Tool Space. And by doing so, that will now go ahead and update Corridor Easy. And if we right click on Sydney Court, open the vertical grading editor, we've now got that update being applied. So you can decide how you operate. If you prefer to use the vertical grading editor, that you can edit using the vertical grading editor and sync to your profiles, or if you prefer to make those profile changes and then edit back to your model, then you can do it that way as well.